Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin, which is currently only up 1% today. It's sat at 20 cents and it's been sat here for relatively the past week or 2 weeks. We've not really moved from the support. We had a quick pump and dump from the crypto reserve being announced, and we have since just fallen back down to 20 cents at the support area right here. The entire crypto market is seeing a relatively decent move up. Bitcoin is up to over 88,500. Hopefully it reaches the $90,000 mark today, and hopefully we're able to break above this previous support, now sort of turned into a resistance level, actually start building up. ETH again was at a decent level, now starting to see a slight move up, and so is the entire market. So we're going to be diving deep into what we're going to be doing over the course of this week, what we're buying, what we're selling, what we're trying to trade. But before we do so, I want to ask you guys to check out the Discord down below. You'll see on the screen right now just how many trades our members are winning. It's absolutely insane. Make sure you guys join up. I'll leave a link to it there. So yeah, back to the video. With Dogecoin, we've been again saying this is a decent accumulation zone right here at 20 cents. We previously talked about this area here, how it can be used as a resistance if we don't break above. We didn't break above, it was used as resistance, we dropped back down, and really from 20 cents the only other option for us to fall down to is 15 cents. So then that will just be sort of a second DCA entry that we can have, and that's what I'd be honestly looking to do. One entry here on 20 cents, another entry here at 15. That's if you're sort of not exposed yet to Doge, or if you're very minimally exposed to Doge and I've only entered with very slight amounts and want to sort of largen your position by quite a bit. That's what I'd be looking to do. Dogecoin is one of the strongest meme coins. It is the strongest meme coin, I should say, and the biggest meme coin by far. All these other meme coins have been really crashing down, not performing the best. Dogecoin, yes, it's fallen from 48-50 cents to 20 cents, but it's still up severely from its lows at like 5 cents. Another thing to mention is just how strong the Doge community is. It's got the richest person in the world, Elon Musk, backing it. He's got extremely good ties with Donald Trump, who's the president of the USA, and there's even a department in the US government named after Dogecoin in the form of the Department of Government Efficiency. So yeah, overall it's a really strong pick. And even if you just buy here and sell at the previous high, that's a 2.4x, which is really easy. I don't think there's many other investments like that where you can just buy in at the low here, maybe buying again at 15 cents and get a 2.5 to 3x return in the span of a few months. So I think it will be a relatively easy move. Again, it depends on how Bitcoin dominance performs. It's currently slightly pumping up. Once it starts dropping down and it does start crashing, we'll see alts and meme coins really rally. And if we compare it to other meme coins, it might look like Dogecoin is severely underperforming because Dog with Hat is currently up 4% today, Pepe is up 4%, and Dogecoin is barely up 2%. But then you have to look at the chart over the past, say from past week, from the news that we got on the crypto reserve. Dog with Hat has fallen 30%, Doge fell 17-20%, so half of what Dog with Hat fell. Obviously the gains are half as well, but Dog with Hat has been falling 90% from the highs it had in November, which is huge. 90% is so much. It's practically at zero from those highs. So yeah, I don't think Dog with Hat will be seeing that sort of reversal again. The community has died down a lot of the people have sold. We were even talking about shorts from this area right here, which were amazing, 30% profit with leverage. I think we got like 500%, which was insane. So yeah, really good trade on there. Yeah, I mean other coins like Pepe as well crashed severely from 28 all the way down. It lost a decimal and dropped even more. So yeah, so many of these coins have been crashing extremely, and Doge is sort of the only one that has survived that. That's what we're going to be looking at. Also Bitcoin, again, it needs to break above 90. If not, we will just use this as a resistance level and we'll start to crash back down, and we'll probably go to 75, somewhere around here. Yesterday we saw a relatively unexpected pump right here. The market randomly saw a pump, then we dumped a bit, and after that we sort of cleared out the shorts, the longs, and then we ended up just moving up and up and up. This was obviously the crypto reserve being announced, huge pump and dump as well. Very bad execution in my opinion. And yeah, that's what we got. The S&P yesterday continued to crash down. This is becoming a relatively bad crash, sort of like what we had in July, August, maybe even March, April. So yeah, I mean some stocks are going to be on discount right now. How far can this dip go? Maybe to 5.68k. So what's that, like another 0.5%, like 1%, 1.5 from where it closed. So it's not too bad. Maybe we get one more red day, then we continue going up. Usually when we break an all-time high on the S&P and we see a crash, it's not this big. We just go a bit past the lows and then reverse. This time obviously there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. The market isn't really liking the war and so on and so forth, so that's why we're seeing the dump. I don't think there's any major news coming out yet. PMIs, tariffs, yeah, nothing major yet. We're probably gonna have to wait for the CPI reports, and then might see a reversal on the S&P. Other coins I'm going to be keeping an eye out for this week include HBAR. Saw a very nice reversal from 22 cents up 7% today, really performing well. We DCA'd. First entry was at like 22 right here, second entry at 18 right here twice. Average entries at like 19 cents, somewhere around here. We're currently up, what would that be, 30%, so not too bad at all. Really good stuff on HBAR. Again, if you want to be getting these trades every single day, then check out the Discord down below. XRP as well, performing well. When it saw the huge pump 40%, which was insane, now up like 16-17%. Again, it's going to continue going up. And another thing to remember is, you know, if the war does weaken and it does sort of come to a halt, and a ceasefire is met, then when we get more crypto reserve announcements, the market will pump extremely more. You know, like we saw a 40% move. If that happens when the war is over and the tariffs are sort of been easily dealt with, you'll see a 40-50% move up, and then a gradual increase over time as well, rather than a pump and dump. So that's why it's really important for the news to come out when the market is in a much stronger position. Sui, another coin we're going to be keeping an eye out for. Hopefully it comes down to 220, somewhere around here. Again, would be great level to DC at. Fetch is already at an extreme support level here at like, what is this, 0.0? You know, it's down a lot. Yeah, I mean, volume's dead on Fetch right now. Hopefully we get some news to pick it back up. Render, another coin that is really good at a great support level here for average entries. You know, $3.68, amazing buy. If we just target the previous highs, it's gonna be like a 4x, so really good stuff there. Polkadot, another one, really liking this coin. Yeah, at a good support level. Anything under $5 I think is a steal. You're gonna get like a 3x practically, you know, when we hit the not the all-time high, sorry, but the previous high. The all-time high would be like a 12x. AVAX, really slow mover. Might be actually a really good coin to trade, because usually these slow moving coins like to move in trends, and AVAX is currently in a downtrend. When it reverses, might be a good trade, you know, to flip to the upside. Solana, just at the support level. Hopefully it does reach the 200s again. We hit like 180 on the pump and dump. Now it's just at the support. Hopefully it does gradually start to increase. You know, I don't think, maybe we break 295 if we get some major news. Apart from that, hopefully we reach like 240, 260, somewhere around here. ETH, another great coin, was at a support level. Really good buys here. Extremely underperformed this current run. Hopefully it manages to reclaim some of that performance back, you know, during the second phase. And again, Bitcoin we already mentioned. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please do make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to be getting my trades every single day, then check out the Discord down below. Need a place to actually buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency, then check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. When you use my links to sign up, you'll get some cheaper fees and some nice sign up bonuses as well. So yeah, make sure you guys check all of that out. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye guys.